You know what a dink is? Are you a dink? You might be a dink and you might not even know it. DINK, it stands for dual income, no kids. I'm not a dink because I have kids, but there's a lot of people out there that are not going the traditional route anymore. A lot of young people these days are choosing not to start families, at least not early on, right? Dinks are very unique and special in our economy, right? Because they have two incomes and no kids, all right? And I can tell you firsthand that those kids will spend all your money, right? I laugh about this with my wife all the time. We talk to other friends of ours that have kids, and we always talk about, oh man, if it wasn't for these kids, we'd be swimming in Costa Rica or backpacking across Europe, swimming in the Maldives and stuff like that. As a dink, I might say, I'm free. I'm not being tied down. I don't need a house. I don't worry about school for kids or this and that. The message to the dinks out there, you are in such a special and unique situation that gives you advantages over a lot of people out there. If you manage your money correctly, it could really put you in a really great financial situation in the future, right? If you have a good budget that you stick to, you're saving the extra money that they're not spending on kids and things like that. You can invest that and grow the money even further for you through investments, whether it's stock market or in real estate. But here's the thing. What if you're a dual income and no kids, and you're not doing the traditional thing of getting married even? You can qualify for 2 first-time home buyer mortgages, right? You can put 2 low down payments and have 2 properties, or keep them both, live in one, rent out the other. Rent them both out while you're traveling the world. I don't know, you qualify for it. This is an advantage you have. So if you're a dink and you're smart with your finances, you need to be managing your money wisely, okay? You don't want to spend everything that you make because you'll just be broke living paycheck to paycheck, all right? So the money that you're not spending on having children, you should save that money. I mean, I know a lot of dinks aren't going to be dinks forever, right? If you're a dink now, get set up financially now so you can afford to have the kids in the future if you choose to do so. Dinks can save 15 to 20% more money than people with kids, all right? Just imagine if you started rolling 20% of your income month after month, year after year, you're going to have a lot of savings. You're going to have a lot of extra money to put in other places, all right? Number one, you can reduce all your debt, get rid of all your debt. Or 2, you can invest it in other things and grow that money even further, because the ultimate goal for a dink is FIRE. What does that mean? FIRE means financially independent, retiring early. That's the ultimate goal right there. It's not to just stay a dink. You want that FIRE life too.